Everyone knows that installation is very simple, with no effort. But people may be worried about is the problem of this lock. Let's take a look. It's used and about to be scrapped. Take a look, very worn. It's about to be scrapped. But let's take a look at his lock. Let's check it out. The function is still intact. Here comes the moment of wonder. Let's do this. I was using a hammer violently. Wait a minute. I'm gonna use a tool to keep me from getting hit. Now I'm gonna hit some random hammer. Let's take a look again. The performance of this steel wire is still